Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Today we'll be talking about beauty. Yeah, because we are women and girls,
Yep.
and we have to be beautiful. First of all, for ourselves,
And secondly,
for people around us. Yeah.
and we just want to let you know, beauty is not everything. Looks
No.
are not everything.
No, that's true. It's more important to be beautiful inside.
Yeah.
Than
And the
outside.
outsides don't matter. What matters is just the inside.
That's true. You're so right, Sarah. Well done. So I'm gonna show you a very frugal and healthy in the same time
Recipe?
mask. Yeah, it's a recipe. It's a natural mask, natural scrub for your face. So what you need to do, you're gonna use things that you already have in your house, I'm sure.
Because it's pantry challenge. 'Cause we have
Yeah, things that you have in your pantry. You need just baking soda or bicarbonate of soda. Yeah, I'm sure everybody has got this at home. So you'll need, I'm using this recipient.
Which little container.
Yeah. So Sarah will put about 3 teaspoons in this container.
I forgot the name already.
Baking soda.
Baking soda.
So about one.
Two.
Good job. 2.
Last one.
The last one. About 3 teaspoons. All right, and now you're gonna take 1 teaspoon of water at a time and mix it really well. So you can get 1 teaspoon of water
Okay.
and mix it really well until you get a fine paste.
We put it all in, or
Just put the
Okay.
teaspoon inside. Yeah, there you go.
How many?
Just 1. Now mix it.
It looks like
Look here.
coconut oil. It
Yeah.
sort of looks like coconut powder oil. It's really cool, but it really gets sticky, but I still like doing this.
Okay, now let's add 1 more teaspoon and mix it again. Yeah, and 1 more.
Please just get it all off.
That's fine.
But it might go in the water.
That's okay. And mix it again.
Whoa, now it's turning like melted coconut oil. Like when it's really hot, the coconut oil all melts.
Okay, scrape down the sides now, because there is some more.
I can do it.
Look, right here.
Oh,
There you go.
and here first, I'll just use the spoon.
All right, so I think this is about the right consistency that you want to get.
So the camera.
Yeah, and now what you need to do, you just need to spread this and to scrub it on your face. Yeah, so you will literally take, let me take care of the camera first. So then you'll literally, okay, this is the final paste. Yeah, you literally take some paste using your 2 or 3 fingers and then just apply it.
To your face.
Yeah, and scrub your face. You can put some on your lips too
Can I try?
to help exfoliate them, of course.
So can I do this? So do
Scrub it, avoid the eye area.
Yeah.
Your eyes do not need to be scrubbed.
Yeah, especially not here.
Yeah.
I'll try my cheeks. Ah, it's so cold.
Yeah.
So later, are you supposed to wash this down?
Yeah, then you wash it in your forehead,
I'll look in the mirror.
everywhere. You'll have such a
Healthy
you'll have
face.
such a smooth face.
And a healthy face.
And healthy one, of course. This is so healthy and natural. exfoliant, a natural scrub.
So this is why you don't need to buy cream from the supermarket.
Yeah, it's
you can just
better
make
than
your
the
own
store.
DIY.
Oops. Yeah, better than the store bought.
Can you put it on your nose?
Everywhere, yeah, except your eyes.
Yeah. Except your eyelashes or your eyebrows, right? Are your eyebrows okay?
You can put it on your eyebrows too.
But they're
Oops.
hair. Eyebrows are hair.
Yeah. I'm not doing this in the bathroom because the light is not really
Very
good.
Now I look like...
Alright, so
Good
after a
point.
few minutes of
Losing.
scrubbing your face,
you'll have a healthy, nice,
yeah,
natural
just
face.
rinse it with plenty of water
How much water you need?
and apply some cream.
Any cream. Oh yeah.
Yeah,
I
like day
made
cream
myself some cream last time. I didn't make a
or
video.
night cream if you do this in the night,
What's
and then you're done.
night cream?
Okay, so we washed our faces and I can tell the difference. My face is so smooth. It's like baby skin. So what I like to do after I do this, I like to apply either some day cream, yeah, some lotion, and I'm using this Elizabeth Arden, or you can use whatever you have on hand. But I mostly like to use argan oil, pure, 100% pure argan oil, because it's so good for your skin. Yeah, so just put a few drops
Can I have some?
in my palm. Of course. Here, hold your palm. There you go. And then just spread it on
Well,
your
then we're not gonna
face.
wash our faces again, or
No. We're just gonna leave the oil or the cream
I'd
on
rather
our
take cream.
faces. This is natural again.
And you can also do it on your eyebrows.
Yeah. And on your eyes too. This works well for your eyes, for your wrinkles.
So you can see better.
If you have wrinkles on your lips,
If you have wrinkles on your lips,
on your neck area,
I'll
everywhere.
do this on my nose. So
And
my
on your
nose stays
nose.
nice and cute.
Yeah.
So I
And
can.
I just put the rest of it on my hands. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time with some more tips. Bye.
Bye.